If you don't like dealing with cyber threats but still need strong security, Impress Computers is your go-to solution. At Impress Computers, we're your local IT and managed service provider, specializing in cybersecurity. Our experts stay ahead of the latest threats, so you don't have to. From identifying vulnerabilities to implementing robust security measures, we've got you covered. With 24/7 monitoring, we keep an eye on your network, systems and endpoints, detecting and responding to real-time threats. Plus, our proactive approach means we're always one step ahead, using firewalls, intrusion detection systems and antivirus software to build layers of defense. And let's not forget about your data. We provide secure data backup solutions and disaster recovery plans, ensuring minimal downtime if the worst happens. Our employee training programs also turn your staff into the first line of defense against cyber threats. Partner with Impress Computers to protect your business from evolving cyber risks. Get your free cybersecurity risk assessment today and ensure your peace of mind. Click the link below to get started.